So you've got a shady spot and you're wanting to brighten it up with some awesome annual flowers. I'm about to tell you my favorite annuals for shade. Let's do it. Starting off strong with coleus, one of my absolute favorite plants, and it comes in a ton of different colors and sizes and textures, mostly known for its leaf color because of all the amazing colors you can get from it, but a lot of them will also flower too, which some people like. Next are begonias, and once again, tons of different colors. You've got green leaf begonias, bronze leaf begonias, angel wing, dragon wing, and lots of other bloom colors, and lots of different sizes too, and they are all awesome in the shade. This is Persian shield. It gets about 12 to 18 inches tall, big, nice, pretty leaves in this gorgeous purple color. Caladiums are one of our most popular shade annuals of all time, and for good reason. They pop up when the weather is warm, and they will go all summer into fall, and the leaves just get bigger and bigger throughout the season. Another one of my favorites that will bloom all season long in the shade are impatiens, and a fun fact about impatiens is they'll actually grow with their roots down in water, so you can put them at the edge of a pond. So just because you have a shady spot on your porch or in your flower bed doesn't mean that you can't have gorgeous color. So start with these plants and check out any other really cool plants that will grow in shade in your garden.